my name is JF, and I have a problem. I'm addicted to buying old cars. Yep. So, against better judgment and my wife's advice, we're going to buy another old car.
His problem becomes my problem. We're always looking for more money to find because, well, every week there's something on Facebook. Do you have that Facebook problem too? Go ahead and comment below. Let us know.
Facebook Marketplace has struck again, and I couldn't be happier. I know Teresa's not all about it, but it's like getting a new puppy. And once we got it home, Teresa's gonna love it and want to keep it forever is the other problem. Today, we're off to purchase, we've already made the purchase, a 1968 RS Camaro Convertible. So the Facebook Marketplace curse is a real thing. Not only is it addictive on the purchaser's side, but it's one of those things that is obvious, most easiest ways to market your product in this day and age. It has a couple glitches though, and I think that's what happened to my good friend Clint, is the glitches got the better of him. Too many people asking too many stupid questions and not committing to buying a project car and understanding what a project car even means. So I'm the beneficiary of that. He ended up giving up on all the BS and having to deal with people and said, JF, I'll give you a slightly better deal if you come buy it, because I know you're just going to come and hand me money and take the car away. The thing with this addiction is, if you find a good deal and you think you're going to make some money, or you think it's just too good to be true, you have to act. You have to act fast. So I always get myself in a bit of a predicament, and doesn't always work with Teresa running the business, trying to find enough money to operate that. But I can't help myself. So it's a good day for both of us.
Yeah. Awesome.
New car for me.
More
money for you.
More junk for you.
And you're rid of the Facebook idiots.
Exactly. Which makes me very happy.
Here it is. Dennis Collins will probably start right. Oh. The tag is probably in a box somewhere.
No, it's in the bag with the registration.
Perfect. We're okay with that.
I'll take a snapshot of that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, Clint, you said this is a true
RS.
RS Rally Sport is what that means.
High hideaway headlights and all the.
68.
Yeah.
Now, if only my buddy Mike Hall was here, I could sell it to him.
Yeah.
Wouldn't that be fun?
I don't. No, I think they're from the GTO. But you get them.
I get them.
You get them. So with the one you're doing, you don't have the wiring harness, do you? So you're just going to use this? I would, because then it's plug and play, right?
Yeah, for sure. For sure.
Yeah.
It's going to be now, which means we could start installing it like in the next few days.
And that goes quick too.
Good, yeah.
Pretty simple.
Yeah. Look at the floors in it though.
Mm.
Nice solid car, which is uncommon in Canada.
Yep.
So you obviously
It was
And
always
apparently-
inside.
A truckload of parts, so let's go discover that. See how we're being Camaro aficionados at home.
You fucker.
Now, if this trailer could tell stories.
Oh,
eh?
yeah, I'll say.
Should be in the ballpark.
Watch out, Bailey.
Crazy, eh? Whenever this got taken apart,
Yep.
it's
Hey,
you know what?
I said just remember the favors now.
Came during gift.
Do you? There's still all the other shit up on top of the mezzanine too, eh? Like I said, people didn't realize how much stuff was going with this car. Well,
So here's the thing about Facebook Marketplace is you're looking at an ad and you're not reading the full ad. And I think that's my biggest pet peeve. What do you say, Clint? Do you think everybody missed the fact that this car actually came with enough parts to completely assemble it?
assemble it, and parts for another car even.
Yeah.
There's so many parts that people did not get on that ad.
So we've got 50-50 Camaro kind of donor parts that are left over, that are doubles to build this car. So we'll still have enough to build this car. Well, pleasure doing business with you as always.
So, again. And I'm sure there'll be many
Anything
more.
else you want to sell while we're here? Oh gosh, I think we're too broke to do that anyways. So, yeah, thank you. I think that'll work out really well for us.
Yeah, I think so too.
Keep our little project moving forward and create a completely new project.
Yeah.
Teresa's super excited about that, right, babe? She's not excited about that.
As always,
Don't forget
To like,
share.
and subscribe. See you guys soon.
Thanks for watching, you guys.
Hey, filmer lady.
His addiction to cars and buying cars literally almost once a week, it's a lot of money, and we're sometimes borrowing and stealing from one to pay another. It's pretty tough.